Okay, now put the chicken in.
Where's the chicken at?
Here it is.
The cock's on the ground.
Okay.
Just light the whole fucking thing on fire.
Wait.
Oh shit, this is like a bad idea. Ain't no motherfuckers going to the hospital.
Oh, that's diffuse. I'm just gonna see if this stuff around it will light it. It won't.
What?
That was the dumbest shit ever.
The monkey still lives.
The monkey still lives. Oh wait, oh wait, oh wait.
The screaming cock.
Oh. There's his guts.
There's his guts.
Monkey balls.
He's got a mortal wound.
He does.
Alright.